Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by reducing friction and pressure. Put on the thin liner sock first, then the thin work sock if needed. Once done, fully loosen laces and unhook top eyelets so your foot can settle into the boot naturally. Slide your foot in and push toes forward to find the true toe edge. Make sure to note any immediate pressure spots. This establishes baseline fit and reveals where padding, stretching, or insole changes must work. Don't skip this initial fitting step. Once you've mapped pressure areas, apply targeted padding like 3-5 mm moleskin to hotspots. This prevents shear without adding toe bulk. Replace the thin factory insole with a supportive orthotic or a gel insole to lift and realign your foot, distributing load away from the toe. If toes still hit, use tongue pads or a small heel lift, 1/8 to 1/4 inch, to slide the foot back slightly. Make sure to relace snugly through all eyelets to lock the heel in place. Finish by gently stretching the toe box where needed. Use a boot dryer or low heat and wear thicker socks for short sessions to mold the leather or composite. Once done, break the boots in gradually. Start with 2 hours, then add 1 to 2 hours each day, so padding and insoles settle without creating new hotspots. If pain persists after these adjustments, consult a skilled cobbler for lasting expansion or switch to a different toe cap style. This single troubleshooting tip solves most remaining.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.